have the repo itself.
Yeah.
What we're gonna do is get that repo into that repo, this place. So the first thing I would do is, do you have any sort of like developer software? It's called IDE, Cursor,
Yeah, I
Visual.
have
One of
Visual
those.
Studio.
Oh great, okay, cool. Awesome. Let's just start a new window, whatever, and we'll open the repo from here. Cool. We're gonna try and figure out where your repo is. Like that Tuvaluan file, whatever.
Yeah, it's here.
Cool. Let's try to get right click here. We're gonna get the file path. Right click. Show more options. Oh man, we missed a fucking other things. Okay, location. We need this. So, oh man, this is like tedious as shit. It's gonna take a second. We can make ads do stuff. It's fine. We're gonna get you set up on.
Yeah, that's usually what I do. Is I just
But you're doing it in like the web UI. Let's do it here. You can go to VS Code and launch your terminal and log into Codex. So go to File, try to open up a terminal. And from here, go up to the top. You'll see like a way to open up a terminal. I'm gonna press the keyboard shortcut. Let me just try something. Oh fuck! The terminal is terminal. Man, well that's what a terminal is. You logged into Cloud Code before here? Oh nice. You ever been in Cloud Code before?
no.
That's what it is.
I mean, I installed it, but yeah.
Okay, so let's type a cloud command. What we're gonna do is we're gonna get your repo connected. Oh. Here. Oh man, a second, sorry. I'm just gonna get long story short, I'm trying.
Yeah.
I'm trying.
I don't know. It's
Okay, dude, don't just sit here.
You
You
just
don't
use
know.
Codex, yeah.
You're gonna sit there and not know what to do for a while until it makes sense. Well, it's all gonna click. Okay.
You just use the GUI for
No, stop the GUIs. That's fucking you up. Also, I think it works. I don't know how to do those. What we're gonna do is we're gonna have that repo made and all the stuff that was in other tabs. We're gonna throw all that in the browser. Your repo's gonna be in there. It's gonna be awesome. Watch. I just don't know how to like get you started with this shit. But we could start with this. I think if you don't have the stuff installed yet, it's fine. It's just like this is just some of the friction at first. Once it's a one-time thing. So once you do this, you just type in Codex when you want to get started on shit, and it's pretty cool. So now we just say Codex. What's gonna happen is it's gonna ask you to log in to ChatGPT. Cool. Do you have one of those voice note things here or not?
the Whisper Flow. No, not on the PC.
Where is this motherfucker? I'm scared of this guy.
So you're just like CD.
How do you like copy and paste this?
It's Control C.
Because I need an image. I just want the text. That text itself, we're basically saying, Claude, make a new repo that connects to this GitHub account. So don't enter anything yet, okay? Just help me get the text from here. We can also just type it.
Yeah. Here.
Oh, that works, yeah. There, okay. That, and then we're going to say, how is it an image? We can just type it, I guess. Yeah, that's weird. Don't enter yet. I wanna say, first step I think is make new repo. And then it's upload existing code to repo, right? And so we will eventually go back to the codex, the GUI, all that shit. Right now you have a bunch of other problems because you just have a lot of other problems. I'm telling you, something has put you in a really fucked up circumstances. So code a repo, and we're gonna connect Cloudflare to repo.
So I just CD.
No, don't do the CD shit. Just get the text of this, and where my prompt, okay, the prompt is done. It's all good.
You can,
Just need the text of that file. It's okay, okay, it's just a computer. You got this, dog. You don't need to have it and react to this. We're grounded, meditated guys. We're very spiritually aligned humans. Connect Cloudflare to repo, new project. Connect to domain. Cloudflare account. Yo, I'm trying to make beats.
Doing some Ableton stuff today. Unfortunately, there is no audio, but yeah, come on up, man.
We failed miserably trying to get the Ableton audio
We did.
I'm just trying to
Change the title of this stream to audio troubleshooting, LOL.
make beats. I'm trying to cook.
Make it. Oh, well, yeah, dude, the homie has something very special for
The
PC.
skull monkey in a spacesuit.
What's that?
Yeah,
The skull monkey in a spacesuit has something out of this world. Is what
Yes.
you're telling me.
Absolutely. Exactly.
forgot that's still the profile pic. That was made with ControlNet Cami in 2023.
Damn.
Holy shit, dude.
Old school.
Wow.
My friend had a tattoo art that he had drawn that says skeleton, like a human
Get the
skeleton
file path.
wearing an afro. And I was like, let's turn that into a
Oh, hey,
webpage.
what'd you do with them? Okay, great. Now let's go back to the GitHub account. That's fucking awesome. Let me know when you guys have the beat situated. I'm gonna listen to it. I'm gonna live stream with my homie right now, trying to make a native language tutorial into an LM chat app for his nonprofit vision. It's gonna be sick.
Fuck yeah.
Yeah.
That sounds awesome.
We're on a-
You guys finish it, you should come through one of these Wednesdays and
Oh yeah, dude, he'll fucking present. It'd be dope. You guys definitely should give him some feedback on the UI and shit. It looks really sick. We're on my YouTube account for live streaming it right now because he's got all the parts.
what's poppin', guys?
Oh, he's in another server. This is Yikes. Remember Yikes?
What's up, Yikes?
what's up, person who I don't know? Maybe I know them. I don't know.
You're in two servers with each other. That's all I'm saying.
I mean, that's like basically being acquainted, yeah.
Okay, great.
Um,
Okay, so I'm gonna hang up a little bit because I was trying to see what you guys are cooking up over here. It sounds like beats though, but if we can't listen to it, then yeah. Also have him do a beat live with you guys. I bet you could freestyle 2Kev's beat. Oh shit! Do you hear that growly fucking
Ooh.
bass underneath that like bright lead?
yo, do you guys use Decapitator? It's my favorite distortion plugin.
I can only hear the beats right now.
Dude, this is sick. I like this guy's stuff.
Pause that.
No, we were just reacting in the chat like some fucking girlies or what do they call those? Groupies?
Yeah, pretty much.
Fuck yeah. React in the chat. We love it.
Um,
We love to see
Yeah,
it.
my Laura is real grungy,
So we're gonna take this shit and say like
but we like that.
this guy? Or can we go back to where I was? Connect the repo.
You can hear
Why? Dude, what the fuck? What did I say about getting frustrated? No fucking frustration. Dude. Is something retarded?
Hopefully
How
not.
is this an image? What is this? What is this an image?
I have no idea. I
the clipboard content. Did someone fuck with your whole computer and thinks that after you paste my picture? Okay, you know what we're gonna do?
Let's just use Codex itself.
We are using Codex.
No, I'm not the CLI.
Your CLI is the problem.
I know. There's something with Windows. I think I tried to like.
All I'm saying is God gave you the option. God gave man the ability to copy and paste text, and you've completely fucked that up.
Yeah, I know. I'm being
not you, but like something
punished for my ineptitudes.
Transgressions of this end of level, I guess. Dude, how could you fuck with your computer?
How dare you?
God, dude, that was upsetting. We will eventually go back to the web app thing. I understand this isn't really good to terminal. It's fine. It's not gonna eat you. You eat it. Like Pac-Man.
I'm so confused right now.
We're dealing with a CLI that doesn't let us paste text for some reason.
What the fuck?
Yeah, exactly. See?
Yeah.
This man knows ball.
Oh, it's your,
He knows
your
ball.
terminal, your terminal capture settings are weird, presumably. Fucking, this is something
I was
Cloud
controlling
System should
in
have.
instant terminal, and I was
Or you
logged.
just use Deluge and Ghosty, and then you never have problems pasting anything ever, because it's glorious, and I love it.
It goes.
So I got bitrate. Let me check it. Ghosty, I don't know if it is. My bitrate is 55. I need to see if I can change it though. I'm trying to get up a
Do
little
you know
bit.
how to like launch a new window terminal here? Like it's
Yeah,
just
you just
trying.
Yeah,
just right click.
thing I just need
But
to
I
point
mean,
out is I set
oh,
that to
why?
91 pp. Yikes. I had that track at 91 BPM, and guess what? It's still lined up.
Hell yeah. Easy shit.
Yeah, that's why, I was expecting I'd have to do some choppy chop, grid alignment. But yeah, it's right on there.
Let's see, edit channel. Bitrate, yeah, bitrate is max. Video quality is auto. Yeah, bitrate is 64 kbps. Well, where's the most bit flow go to?
This is
Well,
so
yeah,
much
let's
less
see. Capture,
convoluted.
do you got any other stuff you want to show? I can make a spin through the notebook if you're all good.
Yes, finally. Yes, doing the real work. Something got
Yeah,
very
my
convoluted in
my
this whole
work
project,
this
that's all I'm
week has
saying.
been interview prep, so mostly
Just
what
like
I've
the
been doing
basics.
is I've been chucking things into Notebook LM and then having it teach me how to do systems design.
Hell yeah.
You both? Yeah.
Oh,
Noted,
I got it on
Seneca.
stream.
Yes, you do. If you want to let me
Sorry.
stream. One of these days, perhaps I will, or if this interview prep goes well, then I will have a job, and then I can boost my own server, and it'll all work out wonderfully. Let's see here. If I do that, and then I just bring one. My own thing. So yeah,
Yes, yes.
basically how this has worked is I have a technical portion of an interview coming up with.
So, what we're doing here is we're having. So you've made a repo, you're putting the code into the repo, and then you'll have something to start with, and we can open it up in VS Code. We're doing all this just to like, it's just the way I'm most familiar with to get this to like the point which is like talk to Codex and a chatbot and it'll update it, but right now, you've not been talking to fucking code at all, you've been talking to a zip file, it goes nowhere.
I've been.
You've been what?
Alright,
You've been working really hard, that's what you've been doing.
yeah, let me see.
strong understanding of where you're trying to get to now. And we're just doing some like 15 minutes of what we call configuration. This is the worst part of every developer's job. Just getting a fucking like the house foundation and all the knickknacks are right there, really easy. That's all there is. Cool, finally. It's going to be a bunch of workarounds. I'm not sure if you've read the messages coming in so far, it's a lot of words, but like, long story short, something with your machine is really misconfigured in general. So this is not like, that's like plow through a bunch of shit. Like, usually the thing we're talking about would just be done. Yeah, we're right there though, yeah. Did you make a GitHub account called Core Assembly Labs?
Yes.
Cool. Yes, finally, we're fucking. Do you want to allow reading the rest of me? Yes, just, it's gonna get you to the fucking basics, okay? Basics. Yes, this is it. This is. Wow. It has just done like a day, or not a day, like 4 hours worth of engineering work in a few minutes here. What's gonna happen is, in the moment where you saw that stuff in GitHub, just keep pressing yes. Yes, just say yes. This is our basics. Right now, you even had a GitHub account talking to an actual code base. The actual code base and the actual GitHub account, this is how you connect. Let's say connect the GitHub repo and Cloudflare is how they're gonna talk to each other. So when you have your own Cloudflare account, you're just gonna select, oh yeah, I want to deploy this on a Cloudflare website. Or server. So then on Cloudflare, you're then gonna connect the domain, like the website name, the TV thing, to that.
Yeah. It's the domain is on GoDaddy. I'm sure there's a workaround, but
Do you own the domain?
yes, it's
Fine.
fine.
Sick. So okay. All we're gonna do is gonna give you a bunch of like string, like a bunch of words, and you're gonna tell on GoDaddy, like Cloudflare will say, put this on your GoDaddy account, like this like big thing. It looks scary. Don't worry about it. It's just like a password basically, equivalent. We call this DNS and we call this GoDaddy.
Yeah.
You own it. There's no problems with that thing.
No.
There's no friction. You know what I mean?
No. I
Okay,
don't
cool.
I don't install.
Go to your polyponies. It's really fucking funny.
Yeah, polypony. Yeah, we get some polyponies.
Dude. Trying to write up. Trying to be a little bit transparent myself. You know what I'm saying? Domains, yeah. Let's go to your guy. You're searching, I think. So go to your own ones. Nicholas. You're very insensitive to European business. Nicholas. You make me very uncomfortable.
I do. Let's see here.
Maybe you just go back to Nicholas and the microbes. You're too fast. Go read. There you go. Course language allows. Yeah, you got all those domains. Wow, toolgpt.tv. You have a lot of fucking websites.
Oh, I have so many. Yeah.
That's awesome. Cool. Now we just let this sit for a second, okay? This is step number 4. Okay? You know what we're on? We're on step number 2. You understand?
Yeah.
We're almost there though.
Oh wait, or grant Mr. Red Horse.
So
Okay.
let's go get you to Mr. Red Horse or something. I think you just logged into a different GitHub account. Let's give Mr. Red, like your actual account is Mr. Red Horse, it looks like.
Yeah.
But then your GitHub account was on some course on jobs account. Did you want that?
I wanted to be on Chorus Language Labs. I don't want to be on Mr. Red Horse.
So you're logged into Mr. Red Horse on this guy.
I'm logging in.
Okay, so then how about this? Now you're coding
Yeah.
account. It's gonna change from Mr. Red Horse to Course Language Labs. That's not your GitHub username.
Yeah.
Just so you know that, okay? So I'd say, cool, change my log in to Course Language Labs from the GitHub CLI here and try this all again. And make sure hopefully it's good enough. You'd be surprised. You need way more specificity to the LLMs. You understand? They don't have brains. Does that make sense?
Mm.
And you don't need to don't rush the prompts. Like we're gonna be here. I don't know. You started an organization called. Okay, can we go back to your GitHub for a moment? Let's get away from coding. I think something's this is new information.
So I'm logged in to this.
Okay,
Yes.
this is an account.
Yes.
Yeah, yeah. Let's paste this. This guy.
This is the canvas.
Oh my god. Just say no. This isn't even my account or whatever. Just say no. Course Language Labs, like put the hyphen and everything, is the name of my actual account. I want to log in my local machine. Just want me to slow down. No. I want to log into my GitHub account from my local machine here using the GitHub CLI. And the name of the GitHub account is chorus-language-labs. Yeah.
Well, that's the URL, but whatever. You'll understand that.
No, that's literally your username.
Yes.
That is how people look each other up. Like, what's your username on GitHub? I didn't know that you were doing that from. I didn't know the name of your company or whatever. It's fine. It's just right now you're logged in as Mr. Red Horse on this guy on your computer.
Yeah. Well, yeah, since I was going to push. I told Codex to do that because I was trying to push stuff to the CLIs with that.
Well, just so you know, you're gonna have to redo it
Yeah.
later on.
Yeah, that's fine.
It's fine. Also, if it's bad, your sounds accounts can get worse than your jobs. You just have an account. I would type yes for this one because now you're gonna basically it's gonna ask you to log in to Course Language Labs from your computer. This is yeah. You get why this is happening, right? Like, yeah, Mr. Red Horse is not this account.
Yes.
So yeah, so now we're just fixing it. So they got convoluted somewhere and it's fine. You know, you've not been given the blessing of a really brilliant teacher. I don't know what's happened in your life, but clearly you did some karmic bad. But you know, we can get you past the situation. It's gonna be okay. So we've made a new repo. For his domain, this is gonna be configure all your AI apps. Do you have credit cards attached to your AI accounts?
Yes.
Cool. Okay. And API keys.
Yes, I have an API key for OpenAI.
So AI apps and accounts on to Cloudflare. You'll need to get API keys and put them into Cloudflare. Does that make sense?
Yes.
So your code
Okay.
going from there. But I would not try to do multiple things at once. Does that make sense? Right now, you got like way too many tabs. You have to sit there and think about what you did wrong in your whole life. This is when you start thinking about what things are wrong in your life. Well, you know, it's a good thing it's still running. You know what I mean? Type shit. I'm like fucking with you 30% of the time. Hope you understand that.
No.
Yeah. A good thing to do is get your list of all your API keys. By the way, do you know which keys you want on there? Do you want OpenAI in your app? Because you never really mentioned that in your list here. You said together, you said open router. What's OpenAI gonna do?
I need.
Oh, I got my bad. You're trying to get OpenAI keys on your open router,
Yes.
so you can switch them out.
Yes.
Cool. Okay. This is called hot swapping on open router.
Hot swapping.
Yeah, it's like a term like just make it easy to like be like OpenAI or Anthropic, like you know what I mean. This is a term. You don't need to worry about it. Okay. Yeah, you get all your keys. Get all your fucking keys. Together AI is an interesting company. time check. We've got about 20 minutes left of the kill time. But I think you're making some progress. My contribution would be that it would be useful for you to quickly try to use the browser for Claude, and you can tell it to do all this shit, because it's going to be like 50 browser things, like, go get all my API keys, give me a fresh set.
I mean, I have Codex, but it has full access. I've told it to do things in the browser before.
Oh, nice. But is it reliable? Then I would say like, you can run that at the same time. You can be like, go get my API keys from these accounts, and if they're logged in, you should be fine. But check on it, so it's like, sometimes it's stuck. Do you make it permissionless? Like, so it doesn't have to ask you, like, oh, can I click here?
No, I just hit yes. So,
Yeah, but like, you know, you turn that off, right?
yeah, I know. I just. Alright.
Just say, I'll just focus on the mission.
I know, I'm trying to understand what it's asking me. But do you want to allow checking whether this GitHub CLI supports switching between multiple accounts? Yeah, I guess.
No, let's get it going on a left tangent, just try to get the repo up.
So
So no. No, I would say
conversation interrupted, tell the model
Yeah.
what to do. Okay.
Exactly. So I'd say upload the code. So I'd say like confirm I'm logged in to Course Language Labs account, and now go back and upload this zip, or my local directory or local repo to that GitHub repo.
Short finish. Allow checking the active GitHub CLI account login. Yes. You want to allow checking local repo status before checking. Yes. I'd like it disabled one. I don't know what it's actually like asking me here. It's, I mean, do you want to?
Then just go. I was gonna say type 3 and be like, just log in. And you can just say to that. Obviously, it's just words. Just get the repo up to that specific GitHub account. Like, get this code, the local repo, connect it to that GitHub account, to that original project, up and running.
How's this any faster than you just like uploading on the website like a zip file?
You want to try doing it that way instead? Let's do it.
I mean,
Let's
like,
try it.
I just-
Let's try it. Have you deployed Cloudflare before? Let's say, just try it. You might be able to do it.
sorry, just
It would have been done by now, but like, you saw the issue, right? You're on a different GitHub account. And so I'll try logging in things. You already made a repo, just upload this file too.
Okay.
So go back to repos, yeah.
Repos.
Up. Yeah, it's okay. Just be there and then try saving manually upload. If you're in the browser, you can also say like, yo, how do I upload a zip file to this guy, zip file to here? Oh, here, upload an existing file. Click on that, looks like a link. Maybe you can drag and drop yeah, I think you got it. The zip I think you want. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, so I can.
Cool. So now run the. So you're here. You got what you wanted. This is a file up there.
Yeah, but that's just a zip file, so I should probably should have extracted that. Yeah.
There's this term, God plan or man plans, God laughs. You ever heard that one? You got it, man. Keep going.
PowerShell Windows if you're not logged into the GitHub skill. Authenticate GitHub. Git with your GitHub credentials. Yes. Do you want to allow polling GitHub CLI auth with your interactive login? We're a bit late, right?
I have no idea. I saw his BMW outside though. Is that his?
Yeah.
Yeah, who knows? He sent me an interesting message I should talk to you about offline. It looks like you need to log in on the other side. So just press enter. And we'll like tell it to log in and shit. Yeah, continue. So. And then that message up there, go back to the terminal. Or where you just were. That paste up there, yeah, just paste that guy in. Your copy and pasting works. Nice. And then at the very bottom. Cool, we're about 10 minutes away as a time check from the session here. You good? Anything else in life? These sessions go for $3,000 an hour in the free market. Rampage. Say anything. You can think of it in your head. Yes, yes, just keep pressing yes. Eventually you can do you can play around with AI coding tools, all this stuff. There's ways to be like, don't ask me for permission, just do it.
Yeah, just have
The
permissions in place so you don't have to get this.
Yeah, and then obviously keep learning as you're doing it, but then you'll be able to like go and just be like, go grab my keys from any updates. Go can you can check it out every few minutes. Okay, sometimes it's really sensitive shit, so you don't want it. But all the stuff you're talking about is nothing very. I don't want to see any consequences with it. Wait, go back to the last one. Go do that last one. That one's important. Okay. Yes. Yes. Okay. So believe now it's set up. We're like, believe it's set up now. Let's try it. You got a repos right there on the top left. It says up there. So let's wait. So I'll stop pressing buttons. So you press the word click, close this. Repositories is right where your cursor is. Yeah, there you go. Now it looks like your code just uploaded. Let's see. It's cool.
Yeah.
So you have code. Now let's go to your Cloudflare account. I'd even tell a browser to do this if you have one. I don't really have any the one you're using. But be like, add mine, get a repo. So press go get it out of this shit and we go to account home. Know what the fuck this is. Like go right here. Add. And do you have like a new project or whatever?
Connect a domain.
I mean you'll add like the domain. How do you get the code from GitHub to here? So like a project you can connect? Do you have a browser tool? Like any sort of browser. I would just use that Claude code thing because it's super easy.
That's
Like from here. Here it's fine. Where's the browser extension? I'll just show you.
I don't have that because this is logged into my Google account for the language lab.
So just add the extension. What's the problem?
Because that's connected to my normal Google account.
So just make a Claude code account. It's so easy. Actually, this is just a way of doing it. It's way faster for your sake, but how do you? All I'm saying is like, how do you add a GitHub repo account to here? And then yeah, you connect the domain to it. Yes, like you obviously connect the domain to here. That's what I'm asking. I would ask AI how to do it. Obviously, like Cloudflare's gonna have a lot of documentation on this. Basically, the question is, how do you deploy the code to my Cloudflare account? You can probably do it through the CLI too, actually, if you're like saying, hey, log into my Cloudflare account. Because Cloudflare has a CLI too. You want to try doing that?
Yeah.
You can say, hey, log into my Cloudflare account, use the CLI, and deploy this repo to a Cloudflare, to my Cloudflare account. And it might do that thing you just went through earlier with the GitHub thing. Like the log in, paste my code over. Yeah, I can see use that, and you'll deploy this repo to Cloudflare account now. Keep this piece of paper so you can play around with it. Dan, do you feel you have understanding of the steps here? All here. These guys. So far, you're here.
So yeah, we went through 2, connecting Cloudflare to the repo, and then I needed to connect the domain, which I have in GoDaddy to Cloudflare.
Mhm. So that's it. This is keys to Cloudflare. Makes sense.
No.
You'll get all those API keys, the
Oh yeah.
together AI, all that shit up there. Yeah, and then everything there. But yeah, I'll be good. But do you feel you have understanding of pushing through here, seeing this? Yeah.
I mean, it like ChatGPT gave me I asked it for step-by-step instructions on how to do this. It's just I don't have something that will work.
Mm-hmm.
Like it's
Quite access, like plus the toggles. Plus the toggles, yeah. Yeah. Do you know the path to? Do you know how to get something that's gonna work?
I need the model weights. I need
Okay,
the
hold on. Before you go there, you have the weights. What happens next?
well then I'll
Wait,
load
wait,
the UI and like
To what?
basically to Cloudflare to together to like all this stuff smashed together, the translation model and the actual outputs from like a lightweight,
Yeah.
open source model or
But
whatever.
where is all that? You said these are just a bunch of words that float in the air. Where are they?
There are
understand?
accounts that I have, like
Okay, so they have these things in your accounts. Want me to just give you the answer? You know, think through it. What's better for you? I'm gonna head out for a walk in a minute here. When the phone alarm rings. Great. Okay. So you go back to that one, so you're authenticated in. I would press 3 and this one's like you're authenticated now. I press 3. Like, no. It just authenticated you with the CLI wherever you have that. It just authenticated you.
yeah. So
Nice.
yeah,
Employees.
it's authorization granted to Wrangler.
Okay, yeah.
So the Wrangler CLI.
Just say
Yeah.
deploy this. Do this step. You're on 703 now. So just tell it I just authenticated you. Now deploy this GitHub repo to my Cloudflare account. The hell is that? just gonna say it. The point from earlier. All of what we're doing here is to get to the point where you have something that just works. You don't have something that just works. So I know you feel like you're making progress, but it doesn't sound like you know what the end goal is. You're just running around. You ever seen hamsters in a ball before?
Yeah,
I know it feels frustrating, but don't let your emotions cloud
yeah,
your
no,
judgment.
I know it's just a matter of getting the UI on my domain. And then
Yeah, but
connecting
what's
back.
it? A UI? There you go. Exactly. It's not just about the whole code base, dude. It's front end, back end, and then infrastructure. So we're setting for infrastructure. You put your code on there. Yeah. And as you update it, I wrote it here, number 6. As you update it on your coding, whatever, it should connect to Cloudflare. You might have errors in the future, but like tell the AI to fix it by pasting errors in. It should be okay. Make sense? Yeah.
Yeah, I just need to have.
I'm literally trying to give you the specific answers of the thing you're stressing me about. So